The mission of the Galveston Bay Foundation is to preserve and enhance the natural resources of Galveston Bay, so not only that we can enjoy it today, so that future generations can enjoy it. All of our fish, shrimp, and crabs spend generally their early part of their life cycle in Galveston Bay. The little critters float back in, they grow, and they hide in our wetlands, and then the adults go out to the Gulf of Mexico to spawn. So it's truly connected.
This ecosystem has dwindled from once 9 million acres along the Gulf Coast to less than 1% remaining today. A large quantity of organisms utilize this habitat. What we're trying to accomplish here at GBF is to restore and enhance these habitats that are very rare.
These coastal wetlands have a great capacity for storing carbon. Coastal wetlands are a buffer from storm surges. When wetlands are lost, we are losing some of our resiliency to these major storms and other changes in our climate. And part of our goal and our mission here for protecting these lands is to ensure that these habitats persist as climate changes in the future, that we can ensure that these areas are productive and healthy for wildlife and fisheries populations, but are also performing those ecosystem services that are so beneficial to our community.
I think there's a sense of urgency for our work now more than ever, because there's more and more people coming down to Galveston Bay, and we're losing land at an alarming rate. It's even more crucial now to help build back the natural infrastructure that would help protect us in the future.
This property that we're on right now is really a crown jewel for Galveston Bay Foundation in terms of our land protection efforts, and I'm really proud of where we've come as far as a program and what this allows us to do in the future.
As a society, we might take Galveston Bay for granted. It's this big, beautiful body of water. People think it's healthy, think it's going to be healthy in the future, but our thought on that is that we need to give back to the bay. We've done wetland restoration, oyster reef restoration, seagrass restoration, and we've conserved over 14,000 acres of land around Galveston Bay at this point in time. We do a bunch of water quality work. We do a bunch of outreach to bring attention to the issues surrounding Galveston Bay. And then we also try to work with the next generation of Galveston Bay users, and that's our students. My favorite part of the job working at Galveston Bay Foundation, I'm really pumped about the projects when we have a successful project, but ultimately it's the people. There's a lot of people who understand the mission, and the second that clicks for somebody, that's a win, and that's something that I really love to feel and be a part of, and continue to make those connections across the whole Houston, Galveston region.